Hello colleagues, Third, good afternoon. I will tell you about one of the best vacations that I have had in my life. It was an appointment where I managed to find moments of great happiness. It was in December of last year when he was enjoying a vacation in an appointment place where much of my paternal family likes. I went to that place with some of my best friends and my girlfriend. My family was willing to receive us and give us the best treatment as they I was that. Why were the best vacations? I had the opportunity to share with my family. I was able to visit them and enjoy time while having fun with the people who went with me. We enjoyed the beautiful sun that rises daily without pride. That God gave us the opportunity to attend the pool when we wanted to be able to drink some beer to refresh the head that was there in that place. One of my friends was more drinker than I. Together, the truth is that we danced and met many friends. Some taller, some thinner, some fire and others shorter, but all in that place were friendly, and that was the important thing. We danced every weekend, but we met all the days to talk and laugh a lot of the pranks we did. We definitely had a great time. I recommend that place. Until next time.